This equipment adopts a vertical grinding head, which makes the swing angle more stable. The Z-axis swing angle adopts a high-precision harmonic reducer and servo motor, which has a faster and more stable swing speed without shaking. The feeding adopts digital control design. Digitally determine the position of the wheel after aligning the tool in all directions. The saw blade does not need to be centered. The saw blade bracket adopts an electric design, which is convenient and fast, and the linear guide is more stable. The tooth profile grinding method is customized by the user. Automatic wheel setting function. Saw blades of the same specification only need to be aligned on one side, saving a lot of blade adjustment time. A workpiece diameter from 120 to 600 mm. Electrically adjust the centripetal angle while adjusting the left and right simultaneously. The design of the vacuum device can reduce the damage to equipment components after grinding fluid water atomization. The spindle is designed independently, and after assembly, after 72 hours of testing, it meets the technical parameters required by the design before installation. The overall design of the frame ensures better stability of the equipment. The human-machine interface adopts LCD, with clear graphics and high-touch sensitivity. PLC has fast running speed, self-developed programs, convenient operation, and easy to understand.
Looking forward to your consultation.